Problem number 7 starts as 2x to the 6th times 4x cubed y all to the 5th. First thing I'm going to do is inside those parentheses, you can multiply the 2 and the 4 to get 8. If you multiply x cubed and x to the 6th, you'll get x to the 9th. So the parentheses condenses to 8x to the 9th y. Now that's all being raised to the 5th. So 8 needs to be raised to the 5th, x to the 9th needs to be raised to the 5th, and y to the 1st needs to be raised to the 5th. So there is a good answer. I don't have a calculator in front of me right now, so if you wanted to figure out what 8 to the 5th was, I think it's in the 32,000s, but I might be wrong. Number 8 starts as x cubed y squared to the 4th all over xy. So first in the numerator, we have x cubed y squared to the 4th, so the x cubed needs to be raised to the 4th, which is x to the 12th. Y squared needs to be raised to the 4th, which is y to the 8th, all over xy. I'm going to rewrite x to the 12th as x times x to the 11th, and I'm going to rewrite y to the 8th as y times y to the 7th, all over x times y. These x's will divide out to 1, and these y's will divide out to 1. So in the numerator, we'll be left with 1 times x to the 11th times y to the 7th, which is x to the 11th, y to the 7th, all over 1, which we can just leave as x to the 11th, y to the 7th. In problem number 9, we have 3x to the 6th plus 2x cubed squared. So don't do anything with the 3x to the 6th in the first step. For squaring 2x cubed, 2 squared is 4, x cubed squared is x to the 6th. Now we have 3x to the 6th plus 4 more x to the 6th, which give us 7x to the 6th. In problem number 10, we have negative 2x to the 5th, z to the 4th y, all raised to the 5th power. So there's nothing inside the parentheses that can be simplified. We raise negative 2 to the 5th power, means we take negative 2 times itself 5 times, which is negative 32. X to the 5th is x to the 25th. Z to the 4th to the 5th is z to the 20th. And y to the 5th is y to the 5th. It might be proper to rearrange that in alphabetical order for the variables. Would be an acceptable answer. There's the answer to problem number 10.